In class 10 biology, we will start with the endocrine system. So an organ system that constitutes of endocrine gland that secretes hormone directly into the circulatory system to be carried to distinct target organ, that is called endocrine system. Thomas Edison actually popularly called the father of endocrinology. So here we will see the distinct features and distinguished characteristics between the endocrine system and nervous system. At first, endocrine system then send messages through hormone to the target organs. Here actually send messages to the muscle fiber and gland through nerves. That is second one is messages are transmitted through the blood very slowly, or here messages are transmitted along the nerve fiber very quickly. Actually, how it function affect physical activities by releasing hormone into the bloodstream. Here actually control the internal environment of the body by sending impulses. Affects actually how in endocrine system affect that affects always long lasting and may even be permanent. Here actually effect is temporary because they last for a short span of time. In human beings actually two systems are collaboratively do the activities. One is endocrine system, another is nervous system. So now we will see the different glands and actually where actually they are present, the total full location of that particular gland. There is first pituitary and hypothalamus that is present on the basal surface of brain, that is diencephalon. Thyroid gland that is present on either side of trachea in neck region. Thymus that is present in upper chest region between lungs. That is in case of adrenal gland, that is present superior of each kidney fitting like a cup. Ovaries that is present on the lower abdominal region in females only. Testes present in a scrotal sac in males only. And in case of pancreas, that is islets of Langerhans scattered in endocrine region of pancreas, present along margin of stomach wall. So these are the different location where actually we found the different glands. Now, which endocrine gland is also termed as stress gland, and why actually? Adrenal gland is also known as stress gland. This gland is also called because it secretes the hormone adrenaline, and which rapidly prepares our body to respond when exposed to a stressful situation. What are the adrenal glands located? Adrenal glands are located on the top of each kidney, fitting like a cup. Because of its location, gland is also known as suprarenal gland. What are the different parts of this adrenal gland? There is each gland has two parts. That is adrenal cortex produces steroid hormones, and adrenal medulla that is produce adrenaline and non-adrenaline. That is adrenal cortex actually give which are the hormones. There is glucocorticoid, mineralocorticoid, that is aldosterone, and adrenocorticoids, that is sex hormones. Whereas adrenal medulla actually give adrenaline or epinephrine, whereas non-adrenaline that is or non-epinephrine. What are the function of glucocorticoid? That is glucocorticoid regulate the carbohydrate, protein and fat metabolism of our body. They increase blood glucose concentration. They also regulate, maintain salt and water balance of body. They also help to body to stress like extreme heat, cold or infections. What are the function of mineralocorticoids? If I ask, that influences mineral metabolism of our body. They control reabsorption of sodium by kidney, excretion of potassium. They maintain balance of sodium and potassium ion. That is ratio intercellular and extracellular fluids. What are the function of adrenocorticoids? That is the androgen, that is male sex hormone. That is the type of adrenocorticoids. Helps in the broadening of shoulder, appearance of beard, moustache, and deepening of voice during puberty. Whereas estrogen, that is a female sex hormone, a type of adrenocorticoid, helps in development of breast, shrillness of voice during puberty. It also helps in initiation of menstrual cycle. So these are the different functions. Next we will start with the another topic.